Oh, I don't even know.
Fuck. Yes, sir. Bunny, stop driving. Please stop driving like. Oh my god. Hi. Fuck. Today is. Say the date. Today is December 30th, 2024. 31st. What did I say? 30th. Let's redo that. My bad. Cocaine be having me tripping sometimes. Cookie. It's December 31st, 2024. And we are headed. I'll show y'all when we get there. Just chill. Me, Bunny, and Grandma are on the way.
Get Grandma out of the fucking car! Fucking crash. Get Grandma out of my car.
No, where am I gonna put her?
You know where.
Me, Bunny, and Grandma are on the way
God.
to the destination.
Get on to me.
Where we gonna start our new life. Don't mind my voice. I'm losing it. Mentally, physically,
No,
emotionally.
you pulling some shit. I'm gonna leave you.
I'll see you little when we get there. Sorry, Grandma. The joy that 2025 is gonna bring into my life. I can't really explain how God finna touch me. I can't explain it to you. Just Grandma, I'm sorry. I am God's favorite, and I am always blessed and always highly favored. Pardon me? They don't need to add new lanes. They need to fix the ones that's here.
Well, they have to add them to connect to that.
Bro, no. Fix what we got for y'all building new shit. Wait, man, no food at Dollar Tree. They got a Publix or something.
I said snacks. We're not getting no food. We're not eating.
We not.
I have to go to this New Year's City.
You. Big Mama gotta eat, boo. Big Mama gotta eat.
Dating so many people. I can't wait. Smashing them and passing them.
No.
Oh,
We can't get this cat.
wait, hit mine. Actually, they can't because I only have 2 more bodies left, and one of them has to be my husband.
Right trick, wrong girl. I remember I was making out with this boy on the tennis court. And I was like, okay, I'm ready to go. So we gotta open the back seat so you can put the stuff in the back seat. He like, we looking at you, I'm like, what you doing? He's like, oh, I thought you was gonna get in the back seat. I said, why the fuck would I do that? Why would you think I was gonna do that? What gave you that impression?
Maybe like backseat.
No? You lost your mind? Like, are you crazy?
Drive me home.
Take me home. What the f? Take me home.
I'm in mommy's car backseat. I'm in my car backseat.
What do you
My other car backseat is
Mommy's. Wait. What you say? That's why we be itching when we be sitting back there. We've reached the entry to the KKK in World War III.
Yeah, the thing on there, you had to override.
Got my ID. Yes, sir. I am enlisted into the Army officially.
yes, we want to fight for our country.
I'm fighting for America. Yes, sir. America. Pop that if you ain't scared of ya. What is it, Bray?
It's a roast.
It's a what?
A roast. It's a roast.
Why you have roaches?
We got roast our house.
Bray, you don't show people.
You got roaches where? She said we got roaches all over the house. Bray, what?
Bray, you're not supposed to tell
Let me
people
get
that,
out of
okay?
here.
Don't get
Bray,
out here.
you don't tell people you have roaches.
Oh yeah, mama.
Oh, hell no. Me and Bray going to the store. Bray, stop showing out. Okay. Are you happy now?
I
Let me tell you something. You're not grown. Hey, you gotta sit down and strap up, Bray.
About the queen.
Bray, come on, sit down and strap up. You want what?
I want that queen if I sit in a nest.
You're scaring me.
I'm so scared of bugs.
You don't have to be scared. The bug is gone. You have to sit and strap, please.
A bug outside?
Yeah, it's bugs outside, but not in here. We're safe in here.
Why?
Oh, because it's indoors. Usually bugs aren't indoors. Can you sit here and strap up, please? Let me help you. It'll be super quick, and then we'll be home.
I'm so hot.
I'm hot too, but if you would have sat down and strapped up, the car would have been on, and we would have been home. But unfortunately, you took like 40 years and 40 nights to sit down and strap up like it's rocket science. But that's okay, because guess what? Now the air goes on. Bray, it'll be warm in a minute. I mean cold in a minute. Bray, I need you to... Who is that, Bray? Who that in the front? Who getting out that car? Who getting out that car? Ooh. Who getting out that car? Who that black man getting out that car? Who that black man getting out that car? Black man, I wanna take you far. Bro, you wanna know something that I learned?
It's like,
Look how dark it is.
it feels so
And it's
late.
5:44.
We got
Y'all know Big Mama had to get them eats. Yummy. Look, we are in a Dollar General market. They got full on stuff. Like real stuff. Just looking for some Wawa. You know, aquí con thirsty. Bottle up your life. Bottle up your life. Bottle up your life.
She worked at the beach number for old time's sake.
Okay. Oh, my is cold. I forgot it was gonna be colder by the water. I'm freezing. I'm gonna live forever. Yes! I'm so excited. Oh, that scared me. Oh my god. Oh my god. My buddy pull out this beef stick. And her breath already stinks. It's just stanky here. We gotta sleep in here. And you're doing this stanky shit. You need to have some decency. Some consideration for our arrangement. She don't even roll down her window. Some little sleepy deepies. It's only 10 o'clock. Okay. At the beach. And I know y'all see the waves crashing behind us. Not too close though. The water is very cold. But that's nonetheless, best believe I'm taking a dip. I gotta cleanse myself. Taking a dip? Yes, ma'am. I have to cleanse myself for the new year. Ooh, good God. Yes, sir. So happy. Listen to this beautiful sound. Get a little closer. It's a heart. See me washed up a heart. Y'all see the stars? Whole lot of stars in the sky. Come to mama, little ocean. Come to mama, little ocean. That's right. Come to mama. Yeah. No. See the stars? so many of them. So many beautiful stars. You see how we hear it after? Oh my God.
My boot, not my foot. My boot.
It got me too, just a little bit.
No, my foot is soaking wet. It's gonna tear my boot. My boot. I was trying to take a picture, and this is all I fucking got.
Just walking. We're just walking. Walking in the wind. I don't have no jacket. It's cold.
Like a thingy in the car.
It's okay. We're just walking. Looking for the niggas. I'm out here in Panama. Looking for with grandmas. And they moms that they love. And they dad give them hugs. If you don't have a dad, do not slide in my bag. Don't slide in my DMs. If you don't have a dad, I don't want to see him. No, sir. No. Y'all still be crazy with both parents.
That is pony.
I thought that was real. Let me tell you something. You good, boo?
No, my nose ring just fell out.
Bunny.
Where did it go?
It's a clip-on.
I need it.
Bunny, it's a clip-on.
No, I had it. Where did it go? Oh, there it is.
Say that like you just got
Bunny.
your nose pierced. How fitting. I didn't see. Yeah. Did you drop it?
No, I got it.
So what time is it?
10:34.
Oh my God. I'm ready to go to bed. Like, let me tell y'all something about me and Bunny. We be in the bed. 9:30 is my bedtime. I like to be in the bed by 9:30.
Oh God.
I don't like to do too much after 9:30. I need to be in the bed. That was a bomb. That was not no firecracker. That was indeed a bomb. We'll probably be out till 12:05, and then we're going to get into bed because we don't play like that. I'm at the beach and you're not. Have you ever tried? You should have sat on it.
I don't think I can. Well,
Yes, you can.
I don't think
You know that anal cavity is stretched.
my anal cavity is crazy.
I love it. One thing, not one thing. I love a lot of things about Florida, but I love palm trees. Sorry, I'm coughing on y'all, but I love palm trees so much. Anytime that we're driving to Florida and I start seeing,
Actually, walk past the fireworks.
well, we can walk back to the car then, because I'm pretty sure they're done.
Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure they're not, but
I have a slight headache. I don't know what that's about. I think maybe because it's too cold and it's like freezing my brain a little bit. This one finna blow me away. My skinny stick and bone still. I'll give you $5 if you run out in front of the car. Listen here. My brothers better be out tomorrow because I saw y'all tonight. I know y'all like to pop outside at nighttime, but be out 11 o'clock in the morning. I don't discriminate. So if you're white, black, purple, blue, green, yellow, tan, if you fine, you fine. I mean, I can't discriminate. I don't know. Like, if you're fine, you're fine. SpongeBob, we carry the pizza. 1 second.
somebody clock off. I think somebody's clock is wrong. That TV must be up.
Yeah, I was like
What time is it? 12:01 for them.
Yeah.
Thanks for celebrating with me. Happy New Year. I love you. Okay. Happy New Year. Yep. Nothing. No. In the car. Sitting, it's cold. Yeah.
Warm beer. A little chilly here. Nice. It's a little bit drinking. It's warm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We have food over here. Hey, egg rolls and tulips.
Yeah, I know. I'm putting on the green ones and the red ones.
Bunny put it in her panties. Cause she pissed herself.
What? No, I did not. Last one.
Okay.
Wait. I'm scared. The wind blew it out. You know I'm not scared. Come on. I can do it.
Don't do that.
I can do it.
Oh wait, we can take it off.
No, that's not the thing. I think both ends it has to light from both.
Oh.
It's some in the car if you want to run and go get one.
Where?
In the trunk. Here's the keys. Hurry! We have 4 minutes! Yes!
We gotta. Oh my god, my throat hurts so bad. Hey, we gotta hurry. I think it's gonna get cold or something. I'm sorry.
That was so pretty. Okay, let's go. Get all the trash. We have to find another table and they're gonna kick us out.
We are getting evacuated. You got all the trash?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a trash can right here.
Oh wait, I'm not
We're leaving now. And I'm so out of breath from that run I did. Do McDonald's or this red? Let's do this red. Or should we do McDonald's?
It don't matter. We have 3 minutes.
Okay, do the red because it's warm lit.
Wait, over here?
Yeah.
Where's the table at?
Right there. You good, boo? Step on that funky monkey.
These tables, we can't get under these.
Yes, we can. Can we not? Run to McDonald's. Because we don't have time. We have to run, P. What time is it?
3 minutes.
Are you sure? You don't see I'm in orange? Yeah. You don't see I'm in orange right now? I guess.
Hey! Where the fuck? That wasn't a turn in. Pick, we got to run. You got the grapes?
Yes. No socks. I don't have enough shoes.
I can take 58. Okay, we have 2 minutes.
right. Okay.
Come on.
I got my clean panties. Let me pray. Glory be to God. Glory be to God. How many do we need?
12. Okay, guys, here we go. It's been about a minute.
Last grade, 12. Okay. Get all the way under it, Pete. All the way under.
Go, go, go!
Savor it. Love, joy,
So good.
peace,
Money,
happiness, God,
friends, family, health,
healing,
unity.
finances. What else? What else? What
No
else?
end of the world.
Passion, love,
Awesome.
freedom,
More money, more health,
money,
success. Okay,
overall life.
5 seconds, you done?
And
You did
abundance.
12? Let's see, let's see. 12 o'clock!
We did it!
Yes! Yes, it's 12 o'clock! Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. I can't believe we're in the car.
We did it!
Missed it, but we did it.
Happy New Year! Welcome to 2025. This is gonna be the best season of my life. I'm calling it right now. Glory be to God. Glory be to God. Gotta clean up our space.
Always clean up your stuff.
Y'all, thank y'all for bringing in this New Year with us. Happy New Year! Can y'all see that? I don't even think y'all can see that. Happy New Year! 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 Happy
Them
New
people
Year!
were ready. There was like 12 on the dot. You heard all the things go up?
Yeah, I did. I heard that pop, pop, pop. They was ready. Okay, guys. Let's start this new year off right. Glory be to God. Thank God for everything I have.
And God bless America.
And God bless America. No, we need that. So yeah, y'all. I'm so happy. Okay, my bad. Hello. Y'all food is ass and I'm about this fast. Don't play with me because I got that cash. Beautiful just like your girl, you know, beautiful just like me. I'm so happy, like y'all don't understand. This is my first new year. I feel like it was done correctly. So best believe this will be a habit of mine. Thank you. But yeah. That just scared the S-H-I-T out of me. Now I can organize my stuff. Because low-key sleep in a trunk. Low-key sleep in a trunk.
Yeah, I was gonna put the seat down.
Or we can have a connector.
Actually, I'm just gonna sleep in the front seat.
Why y'all stop? Why y'all stop? Y'all scared. Damn.
Hey, bus.
This is what it's gonna sound like at the end of Trump term. I eat a whole bag of grapes in about 5 minutes, so 12 wasn't nothing. Okay, you was really scarfing them grapes down. I'm like, ooh.
I was scared. My tongue was gonna run out. If my
I don't
tongue
gotta
ran
do all
out.
that. I like that. I'm sorry, y'all. I keep doing that to y'all. Every time I pick up the camera, it be too late. Oh, I got y'all. Don't worry. Isn't that beautiful?
Never peed. My facial tissue.
I like that too. Miss Pissy Panties. Ah! Well. Bunny, you pissing on my grapes, really?
My blanket. Oh no, my blanket. No, my blanket.
Ooh, God, that stank. Oh my God, look it like it flashing. You see that? Damn. Gonna take my trash to the trash can, 'cause I am a man that doesn't litter. I want the world to be filled with glitter. I wanna see it sparkle and I wanna see it shine. I'll give you a song for 46 dimes. I'm not here to waste your time. I'm a lovely girl and I want you to be mine. I'm just gonna bring this right here. You see how easy that was for me to walk to the trash can? Take notes. Hello, y'all open? Poison dog. I have a fat ass wedgie. No cursing 2025. All right, guys, I think we're gonna throw in the towel for the night. Thank you. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to this first vlog. Cheers to New Year, new blessings, and more love. Peace. It is family racing. I'm just checking. Oh.